So thank you so much for talking to me. First of all, I would
Thank
like
you,
to start by
Simran.
saying a big congratulations for your film.
Thank you.
I watched it like a few hours ago, and I was absolutely just mind blown by it. It was just so intense, and I was completely hooked to that. It is receiving an amazing response. So first of all, I would like to ask you कि आप लोगों को कैसा फील हो रहा है कि उस मूवी को इतना ज्यादा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है एंड इट इज ट्रेंडिंग ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड वाइड.
Yeah, it's number one in top four countries now. Four countries:
Yeah.
US, UK,
Yes.
Germany, and India.
इंडिया बहुत
Yes.
ही कमाल की फीलिंग है सिमरन. इट्स
ये
हार्ड टू एक्सप्लेन.
हाँ, मतलब अभी एक्चुअली हम लोग बात भी कर रहे हैं और ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है सिमरन, तो सच बताऊं तो अभी हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए कुछ चीज है नहीं. हम बस आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर लाइक वेरी चाइल्ड लाइक हैप्पी राइट नाउ, दैट्स इट.
या
Mhm.
आई लाइक इज करेक्ट.
कोई बात. थैंक इट्स ओके, इट्स अमेजिंग. Abhishek, like your character in Stolen is so intense. It's just so raw. The human emotion you have just shown in your character is just so real. You have sort of played those real characters before also, but I feel your character here is completely different. So, what sort of preparation you did, both technically and emotionally, that you haven't explored before in your films before?
I mean, I did not think of communicating anything through my, you know, character apart from what was given to me on the script.
Hmm.
I mean, commercially designed films में you need to know कि अच्छा यहाँ पे ताली बज सकती है, यहाँ पे वो थिएटर वाली
Hmm.
बात होती है. You know exactly how the audience will react to a particular
Yeah.
joke or particular punch or things like that. And you also have that kind of reaction time in a commercial film. But in a film like Stolen, which also I feel is a very commercial film,
Yeah.
but this commercial film acting is different from probably the ones which I have done. And
Yeah.
why is because इसका डिजाइन ही ऐसा है कि 90 मिनट तक आप स्क्रीन से आंख हटा नहीं सकते.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो उसलिए द काइंड ऑफ अटेंशन आई वांट फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, I need to like play the character as it's happening then and there. Also,
Hmm.
it's because a real time film, मतलब कोई ट्रांजिशंस नहीं है, अब रियल टाइम में आपके साथ चीजें हो रही हैं. और जब रियल
Hmm.
टाइम में होती है तो मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है कि इमोशंस ना बाद में आती है, पहले बॉडी
Hmm.
आपका रिएक्ट करने लगता है. आप थक जाते हो, आपके सर में दर्द होता है, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, आप डिसोरिएंट हो जाते हो. एक एक्सीडेंट के बाद द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज नॉट कि अरे क्या हुआ, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज मैं कहाँ हूँ, बिकॉज आप डिसोरिएंटेड होते हो.
Hmm.
If you've ever been in a major or minor accident. So yeah, I mean, so yeah, वो सारी चीजें जो आप जिंदगी में जी रहे हो, कहीं ना कहीं उनको एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश की है, जो मैं सच बताऊं सिमरन काफी डिफिकल्ट रहा है. एंड
जी.
थैंक्स टू शुभम एंड मिया, जो मुझे लगता है कि ज्यादा कोई किसी बैगेज से नहीं आ रहे थे. वो
Hmm.
उनकी मतलब इन अ वे आई थिंक मिया ने थोड़ा बहुत काम किया, बट एक हिंदी बड़ी फीचर फिल्म इसका पहला था, शुभम का भी इन अ वे फर्स्ट
Hmm.
बिग रोल इन अ फीचर फिल्म. तो वो लोग जिस तरह से एक्टिंग कर रहे थे ना, मैं बस उनके साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा.
Hmm.
तो एक पॉइंट के बाद मैंने सोचा कि लीड लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, इनको बस ये जिस तरह से काम कर रहे हैं उनको बस रिएक्ट कर दूं तो मेरा शायद आधा काम हो जाएगा.
Hmm. जब मैं मूवी देख रही थी आई नोटिस आई मीन इट वाज प्रीटी एविडेंट कि हाँ काफी ज्यादा शूट्स नाइट में हुए हैं, बट आई आल्सो नोटिस दैट देयर वर सेवरल वन टेक शॉट्स. So my question is for you, Karan sir and Gaurav sir also. Sir, ऐसी टाइप की सीन शूट करने में आपको कितनी डिफिकल्टी हुई, क्योंकि सर काफी ज्यादा कोऑर्डिनेशन की जरूरत होती है इसमें, अब काफी ज्यादा टेक्निकलिटी की भी जरूरत होती है.
Katie, you want to say?
Simran, Karan is fine. You don't have to say sir. It's a little odd.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
तो you're right. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप. कोऑर्डिनेशन चाहिए आपको, रिहर्सल्स चाहिए आपको. Everybody has to be on the same page. And yes, they were challenging, but also, I mean, if it is not challenging, it is not fun. बोरिंग काम कौन करना चाहता है? बोरिंग काम करो, सो जाओगे, so I think that we embrace the challenge head on. and it was a decision taken well in advance. So सबको मालूम था कि हम ये फिल्म कैसे शूट करना चाहते हैं और किस तरीके से इसका ट्रीटमेंट होगा. So the support of starting from of course Gaurav and the actors, mainly the actors brought a lot of determination and dedication to enable us to do this. Then the crew, who also very soon understood and got on board with this kind of style of shooting. And yeah, I mean, there was a lot of rehearsing, blocking rehearsals जिसे कहते हैं हमारे वर्ल्ड में. तो हम लोग काफी डिटेल्ड ब्लॉकिंग रिहर्सल करते थे पूरे क्रू के साथ, पूरे एक्टर्स के साथ, पूरे ग्रुप के साथ. एंड वी वुड मेक श्योर दैट जो फिजिकल स्टेजिंग है वो सबको रट जाए. और एक बार उन्होंने वो अपने जहन में रट ली, then I think they were free to do what they wanted with the acting and little improvisations of the dialogue and all of that. फिर उनको फ्रीडम मिल जाती थी क्योंकि उन्होंने बाकी जो चीजें थी ब्लॉकिंग और स्टेजिंग को एकदम अपने जहन में कर ली थी. बट बहुत मजा आया करने में, एंड आई थिंक लाइक आई सेड, challenge is fun. So yeah, it was really fun. We were just like playing games on set.
Well, I'm glad you had fun. There were scenes, with mobs also, with a huge crowd. I bet they were quite, difficult to shoot. So how did you coordinate that with Abhishek, with Shubham, and, how did that scene happen towards the end, basically?
It was the same, Simran, it was the same. It was all based on rehearsals, pre-planning, a lot of pre-planning. Everybody in the crew was, like I said, totally on board with this. जैसे कि हमने वो जो इतना भारी सीन किया है जिसमें अभिषेक की लिपसिंग होती है, तो अब अभिषेक तो अपना काम 3-4 बार में ही सीख के कर सकते हैं. He doesn't need more than that. But he made sure he did the rehearsals with the crowd again and again until the crowd learned what they had to do. जो कि सब नॉन एक्टर्स थे और नॉन प्रोफेशनल एक्टर्स थे, तो जब तक उन लोगों को वो प्रॉपरली सीन समझ में नहीं आया तब तक he spent that time doing it with us. तो हमने पूरा दिन रिहर्स किया, पर फिर हम लोगों ने 3 ही टेक में उसको कैप्चर कर लिया. थर्ड टेक वाज okay. So it was basically, I think, a very collaborative effort that every crew member brought their A game to achieve.
Like before getting a release on OTT, the movie went through several film festivals and received amazing response. But I feel it got delayed several times to release on OTT to just get that push. So, Gaurav sir, was it like frustrating as a producer? And Abhishek, was it, how you have put like your blood and sweat to this project? Was it frustrating that it got delayed several times, or it did not get that theatrical release?
No, I was very sure that's going to get a release. I was very sure from day one. Yes, Gaurav, because of course he had put in a lot of money, he was stressed. It was not my money, so.
But we knew we made a really good film. We knew it because not when we made it, I believed that from the moment I heard and I said, no, I want to do this, that we will come up with something nice. And now I have something nice. I'm just not finding the right way to get it to the human species, and that was really frustrating for me. Really, really frustrating. This is also something I committed to my partners, Abhishek and Karan, who really supported every move that I made, so not being able to deliver to them was actually really daunting to me, क्योंकि ये मेरा कमिटमेंट था कि हम पहुंचेंगे दुनिया के कोने-कोने तक, और अब हम पहुंच रहे हैं. आप 4 कंट्रीज में हम आज ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं, 3rd day of launch पे. That speaks of not, Abhishek is not a star in the globe. Katie, nobody knows. Gaurav Dhingra, nobody knows. this is the power of what we created together. So this was our vision, and it's coming true now. And I'm particularly thrilled. I'm going to have a party right now.
And with that, the best part is that let's meet for the party in the evening, Gaurav.
Yes.
But the best part is that that we always talk negatively about the industry, about the studio setup, about big networks coming into play and how they in a way control the kind of releases and what comes out, what doesn't come out. But for Stolen, I can really tell you that it has been a very smooth ride that way. Like, yes, there were some confusions about how to sell the film, market the film, but there was no doubt about that the film is good. And that is why the directors like Nikhil Advani, Kashyap, Motwane, Kiran Rao, all of them came together. Amazon Prime, I think they just backed it with all their power and pull, and and then that is why we have this kind of a setup. So it's like what I always say that OTT has democratized the entertainment industry. That somebody sitting in Delhi can conceive a film with another friend of his and make a film in Pushkar, Rajasthan, and bring it to Bombay without any Bombay support. So I think this is the new wave of Indian cinema. This is how cinema is going to be made in the future, that it will be made from any part of the world. It doesn't matter if it has a universal language.
You talked about like how Anurag Kashyap, Nikhil Advani, Vikramaditya Motwane, Kiran Rao, they all supported your movie. They gave it like a push, and how Prime Video came it through. So these sort of support, what that meant for this movie, and for other independent movies also.
I mean, I can say that people like the stature of Anurag and Vikram, Nikhil and Kiran. Anurag and Vikram in particular are, all our idols. We've watched Black Day and Udan, and you name Anurag's films, and we grew up and aspiring to be this person. And when they come and say that we'll help you, they came on board 2 months ago. And they said, we'll help you to promote the film, get the, push Amazon, work with them to create a strategy. So they were very helpful in the end part of it. And since they saw it, they were very, very eager to support us. So I think, as Abhishek said, this is the way, I mean, and Karan has been saying it, in many of his interviews also, that this is kind of going to be the future, because I think the volume of content that is being made, there is a greater need of curation, और curation की जरूरत है कि यार ये हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये तुम्हें देखनी चाहिए इतनी सारी चीजों में जो तुम्हारे पास है देखने के लिए, whatever you have, because there is, in your lifetime you can't see what is available already online. Forget the future where AI is going to come in or whatever else is going to come in. But today, if you stop doing anything and start watching films, you can't finish it for the rest of your life. So to curate it is a big deal today, and this is going to be the future for sure.
This opens the ways for a new gang, a new Karan Tejpal, a new Gaurav to believe in making films and and releasing it. So I'm hoping that more new filmmakers and producers will get strength from a film like Stolen.
Karan and Gaurav, what sort of advice you would want to give, like said, newcomers, new producers, new filmmakers who have sort of faced, a similar hurdle to release their independent movies by seeing Stolen?
Go, Katie.
I think to have belief and not to give up is I think what I would advise. ये बहुत simple लगता है और बोलना और भी ज़्यादा आसान है, but I think all over the world historically we have seen that it is always challenging in the beginning, but the ones who have persevered वो ही इस industry में थोड़ा निकल पाते हैं आगे. तो I think perseverance is a very helpful, patience and perseverance is a very helpful trait in this industry.
या मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आप अपनी जिंदगी की कमांड आपको आपके हाथ में है। आप वेट मत कीजिए किसी और की जो आके आपकी फिल्म ट्रेडिशनल तरीकों से बनाएगा। ट्रेडिशनल तरीकों से अब कुछ नहीं होता है। यू नो द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स अ डिफरेंट space. So you got to take charge and find the right tribe, you know, find the right people that you can work with. That's really important. For me, that's what really is the key to this film. मेरे पास सही लोग, सही डायरेक्टर, सही एक्टर्स, सही डीओपी, सही एडिटर, सब कुछ मेरे को सही लोग मिले तो सही काम हो पाया, यू नो, क्योंकि काम तो लोगों ने करना है। लोग सही होंगे तो प्रोडक्ट भी सही होगा। तो लोग ढूंढना बहुत जरूरी है जो तुम्हारे साथ मिलके तुम्हारे जहां तुम कमी है तुम्हारी वहां वो पूरे हो जाएं, और ये ज्यादा जरूरी है। एंड कीप गोइंग, डोंट स्टॉप, कीप गोइंग, यू विल फाइंड द रूट ऑन द वे।
यू नो जो नाइकी का जो आई थिंक लोगो है ना, जस्ट डू इट, यू नो, या फिर जॉनी वॉकर का जो लोगो है कि कीप वॉकिंग, आई थिंक नाउ इट ऑल मेक्स सेंस that the idea is to just do, and all the new young or like you know filmmakers who want to be a part of this industry, just don't wait for anyone, khud se karo, that's the idea.
Amazing. One last question I have for you all three.
One more?
When I was watching, one last question for
Okay.
all of you guys. When I was watching Stolen, I watched it on my phone, and while watching it, I thought, okay, I should have seen this on the big screen. I should have seen this on the theaters because, you know, some of the scenes, they were like hauntingly beautiful. I don't know how to describe it. Like they were brilliantly shot. I was just so impressed. So, you know, right now in the industry, there is some sort of monotone with the movies, kind of movies that are releasing. So what kind of things, you know, the industry, the audience, and the actors as together need to do for a movie like Stolen to get that push on the big screen?
I mean, this is the beginning. This is just like, you know, I mean, how often do you see like a film with, you know, this kind of budget been pitched as an action film? You know,
Yeah.
we have a very different idea of action films, and this is like a proper one night road action thriller. So this is the beginning of that era. Very soon, I'm sure that, you know, there might be a Stolen 2 which will come on theaters. You never know.
एक और country.
I have to report something. We are
What?
one in Netherlands.
अरे भाई,
Oh, wow.
अरे ये सारे भेजो ना एक साथ,
भाई
सर,
सब ये बड़ा
अरे,
बड़ा करके भेजना है यार।
बड़ा बड़ा करके भेजो।
देखो डबल श्योर करना है कहीं वही तो नहीं हम जो फिल्म बना रहे हैं अफवाहें फैलाने लग जाए, यू नो, डबल श्योर करके
सिमरन, तुम कौन से चैनल में काम करती हो?
News 24.
ये तो नेशनल न्यूज है यार। ले
आपको फिल्म वापस देखनी पड़ेगी यार। इट्स मजा नहीं आया फोन पे, आप वापस देखो टीवी पर लगा के पड़ा।
ठीक है, देखूंगी, पक्का देखूंगी.
ठीक है, ठीक है। थैंक यू सिमरन, थैंक यू।
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was lovely talking to you, and congratulations on the success, guys.
थैंक यू,
Very
थैंक यू।
much.
Thank you.